All right, guys, let's talk about cryptocurrency market today. As you can see, everything is green, but recently, like last 15, I don't know, 30 minutes, all the altcoins started dumping like crazy because I think Bitcoin dominance has been higher. Bitcoin and Ethereum had pumped, but then they started dumping. A lot of bullish news is happening in the crypto space. Lido's liquid staking outshines CEX's layer 2s in Ethereum token supply. There's a major bank that has launched cryptocurrency providing, and Bitcoin has been parabolic for the past how many days? I mean, guys, there is so much bullish news right now that if you are bearish at this moment, waiting for 12, 14, 20K, I don't know. It's very hard to say, but I cannot be bearish at this time because the Bitcoin supply and exchanges are so low, record low almost. And let's take a look at the charts. I will be looking at overall market is bullish aside from this little 4, 5%, 3%, 1% dump. As you can see, Bitcoin is dominant with Ethereum. Next leader is at this moment Chainlink. Avalanche is doing really well. It has dropped 1.5% in the past few hours. Solana has dropped a little more than I thought it would because, as you can see here, it reached all the way to $59. Let's take a look at Chainlink's chart in our drawing board. What's happening with Chainlink is it's looking amazing. Why? I had this trend line, actually we broke out of the first trend line, as you can see, and we were consolidating in between it, and then we have the huge resistance at 16,600 basically, and we have the 2 attempts. Of course it takes 3, 4, 5 attempts until we break out. Even it happened here, as you can see, the last time we had many attempts to break out from the first trend line where the resistance is heavy. It usually takes time. So we had the second retest and actually attempt, and now we are consolidating, whales are accumulating, and anybody who didn't manage to buy earlier, they are starting to get in. We wicked through the 15,200 zone just to shake out everybody. I hope you aren't shaken out. I hope you have managed to position yourselves in a safe and non-risky manner, so you are still in the game. So let's take a look at the daily. As you can see, after a huge 2 bullish daily closes, we are consolidating and we are printing a doji after a red candle. After this doji, if we can print a nice big green candle above this 16,600 and close at least 2 4-hourly candles, I think we are go to $18, guys. And once you're in $18, any pullback will happen. It's a buy the dip opportunity, even now actually. But when you are on $18 range, the maximum drawdowns you might have is all the way up to 16.5 to 16,200, something like that, about $1.5 to $2. You won't be seeing any more 14, 15, $12. Even 15 is really highly unlikely. So yeah, on the weekly, you can see here, look at this beautiful green, and then you have almost like a bull flag. We are gonna break out of this kind of trend line flag formation within this couple of days, if not maximum a week time. But it's a matter of when, not if. And you know, if you've watched my previous videos, we had this huge consolidation accumulation zone, the box basically, and as soon as the EMAs crossed and the price broke out, we are a go all the way to, I think, $18, and $18 to $20 are next. Guys, make sure you position yourselves in the way that you make the most amount of money in this bull run. As you know, this bull run could be one last opportunity for people to make life-changing amount of money. And recently I got hacked for $6,000 of quant, and I'm really sad about that, but I'm positioning myself and buying cryptocurrencies that are with high potential for this bull run, namely Chainlink, Avalanche, Solana. These cryptocurrencies will be huge in my opinion. And Chainlink all-time high, previous all-time high was $53, and I think this one $110 to $130 is a target, but we will start selling our 75 to 50% of positions at $85 to $90 just to be safe, and we don't want to be holding a bag. Obviously, Solana can easily reach its previous all-time high, which was about 250, and surpass it maybe a little more, up to 315, 320, in my opinion. Avalanche, previous all-time high was $130, and I think this time around we could reach $130 to $170, and rest of the if you're holding, guys, XRP's inflation rate per month is quite high, so be careful.